Juno Lee from Korea. Today we're visiting SOKCHO City. SOKCHO City is one of the most popular tourist city in Korea. Because it has a beautiful mountain, Seoraksan mountain. And also it has a beautiful sea. And also it has a history of refugees. All of them together, it makes this city so popular. Every season, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Oh, beautiful. So Mount Seorak is divided into three areas. I came here, it's called Southern Seorak. It's called Nam Seorak. It's really beautiful. I came here, it's called Jujeonggo. This is a water valley. They said long time ago the government found people making illegally the coins. So it's called Jujeonggo, that's what they mean. We're gonna go to this Mangyongbong observation platform. It's gonna take an hour to get there, but I heard the views are amazing. Mangyongdae means this place has 10,000 views. That's what they mean. Mangyongdae, we're visiting there. This Mangyongdae has been closed for over like 50 years and recently opened. Only opens during the autumn season. You have to make reservation. I came here during the weekday, so I was able to come without the reservation. It's really beautiful. Okay, please follow me. Wow. Okay, so Mount Seorak is divided into three areas: Outer Seorak, Inner Seorak, and Southern Seorak. Right now, I'm here at Outer Seorak, which is the most popular area because this area has a cable car, right? So anybody can easily get to the peak. And also has the largest Buddhist temple. It's called Shinungsa, and also from here there are several trails. They're relatively easy but also really beautiful. The one is called Biryong Waterfall, which is really beautiful. And Busan Rock Formation, this is the largest rock formation that exists in East Asia. It's also really beautiful. And the Bisan Dam, which we're gonna go and walk, it's also really beautiful. They said this is where the god came down and rested. That's how beautiful that rock formation is. Okay, we're gonna go and see that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We're just gonna go. I'm gonna show you. I really want to show you everything. Okay, let's go. Wow, come on. So Sokcho, especially during the war and after the war, a lot of refugees came and settled. So there are a lot of history of refugees. So this is the train station. It's a replica. The original one is destroyed because obviously it's no longer in use ever since the war broke out, because Korea is divided into north and south. So no longer in use. And here in the museum, a lot of replica houses for those refugees. So now it's very hard to understand. I mean, they have a village still there, but obviously there's new modern houses. But here they have actual replica houses, so you can understand how their refugees' life war, right? So here you can see those replica houses. So let's look around this wonderful museum together. All right, let's go. Wonderful museum. Okay, so we're visiting this Dongmyeong church. Okay, this is the Catholic church that was built during the war. Okay, the reason why it was built during the war is because the refugees actually settled here. Because the SOKCHO is being close to North Korea, they're hoping to get back to hometown. Alright, but the war has not been over yet. Look! So, if war is over, they're going back to their hometown, North Korea. But they're still living there until the war is over. It's called Abai Village. We're visiting there. There are a lot of restaurants selling North Korean food. You know? Okay? Alright. Okay. So, you and me, we'll go to the Abai Village and we'll see some of this church because it's all related to this refugees. It's a part of a very important part of the history of SOKCHO. Okay? Okay, let's go. SOKCHO is also famous for beautiful East Sea. Beautiful East Sea. So there are certain places where you can go and enjoy this beautiful sea. This Yeongeumjeong Pavilion. And then we're gonna go to this SOKCHO, the lighthouse. And then there's a SOKCHO beach. And then Abai Village also. Lots of all the places you can go and enjoy this beautiful East Sea of Korea. Okay? Follow me. I'll show you. Alright? Follow me. Wow!